Good afternoon, good morning, P3 students. How are you today? Today is Thursday, it's the 30th of July, 2020. So our learning target for today is I can identify if object is magnetic or non-magnetic. When we say magnetic, it means that when you have a magnet, if you put that object into the magnet, it will stick. When we say non-magnetic, are things that will not stick when you connect or put it with a magnet, right? So we talked about this already, and I'm pretty sure that you already understand. For today's activity, you are going to identify, and you have to be very careful in reading the sentences, right? So again, this is a review for your final test, identifying sentences if it's magnetic or non-magnetic. So here, I have here an example. So these are things that you have to identify. So this is a needle, right? A needle is made of metal. This is a saw, and this saw is made of metal. And this is a lock or a padlock, and this is made of metal. This is a screw, and this one is made of metal. This one is a tissue paper, and this one is made of paper. And this one, a bear, this bear is made of fabric and cotton, right? So we all know that magnetic materials are materials that will stick to a magnet. And we know that it's only metal that stick to a magnet, right? So the following questions are a little bit tricky, right? So you really have to focus on the question and see what it is looking for. Is it asking for magnetic or asking for non-magnetic? All right, so for example, number 1. So this is the object. So the following objects are magnetic except 1. It means like all of this, question 1, it's saying that all the words here are magnetic except 1, meaning there's 3 words and 2 of it are magnetic. The other one is non-magnetic. So padlock is made of metal and metal is magnetic. Screw is metal and screw is made of metal and metal is magnetic. So the answer for number 1 is tissue paper, because we know that tissue is made of paper and it is not magnetic, right? Non-magnetic. It means it will not stick to a magnet whenever you stick in it. For number 2, the following objects are magnetic except 1. So again, all of this, the words here are magnetic, but 1 is not magnetic. So which one? Padlock, needle, teddy bear. 3. The following objects are non-magnetic except 1. Non-magnetic, it means objects that will not stick to a magnet, right? So all of these are non-magnetic except 1, yes.
Are robots made of metal?
Some robots are made of metal, but some Lego robots are made of plastic, so it's not magnetic. Yes?
Main real robots are. Right?
If it's made of metal, only objects that are made of metal are magnetic.
But the real robots are metal.
Yeah, so if the robot is made of metal, then it is magnetic. But
So
tell to my students. All right, so that's my son. So here, the following objects are magnetic except 1. So 2 of these words are magnetic except 1. You find out which one. Oh, I'm sorry, you can see the answer. All right, so that will be all for today. Thank you so much and enjoy your Thursday. Goodbye.